Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from the flea market and it was pretty epic day. Pretty exhausting too. I got a lot of free stuff and a lot of keys, a lot of locks, probably a locksmith had all this stuff here. I'll show you. There's all these parts and pieces. This box right here is pretty heavy. I got that for 10 bucks. This one here was 5 bucks. I'm gonna be dumping all this stuff out here in a second. Some of the stuff I got back here was free. A bunch of little locks back there, mortise lock here, knickknacks here, and more pieces and stuff here. Also, free stuff I got. John Deere hats weren't free. I got these for 2 bucks a piece. Really good condition hats. This Indian hat was a buck. And then I got all this stuff for free. These are like glass covers for cell phones and stuff, and maybe there's some covers in here. Yeah, all free. Pretty crazy. And it was kind of crazy because when they say free stuff, everybody comes running, and so I had to pick this stuff and get the heck out of there. This was free too. I looked at it, it's missing the cord, of course, but there are some tools I did get here. Got this whisk. I don't even know what it is. It's, I've never seen it before, but it's a whisk, so I had to pick it up, and I paid 2 bucks for it. This hammer, pretty sure it's a Vagon, with the magnetic nail holder there. For 2 bucks. Got the handyman hammer here. And the masonry hammer is a Shapley, I think. And we got a small spud wrench here. This is a Klein's tools. So those are the tools, and here in a second I'm going to clean this table off here, and I'm going to dump all this stuff out, and we'll look through the stuff. All right. All right, you guys ready to look at this mess? Let's check it out. Alright guys, I dumped all the keys out. So, keys and locks. It's a lot of stuff here. So this is $15 worth of keys and locks. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Some of it was free, some of it was, I paid up for it. But I got a lot. So I'm pretty happy with it. There's a lot of key blanks. I like vintage keys, but key blanks I can sell on eBay. So, there's a lot of profit here, really. Gosh, it's just overwhelming, really. We're just gonna scan through it. And I'll have to group things together and make small lots and sell them on eBay. And I have sold a lot of keys on eBay. I'm looking for something interesting. Here's some sort of a lock right here, like a mortise style lock. These can sell as well. I should have another one. Another mortise lock right here. Slage. It's like in really good condition. Alright, let's make our way around. These were interesting. Got a bunch of these. I'm not really sure what they could be for, but I'm really hoping that I have the keys. I'm hoping I have the keys for these somewhere in here. That would be great. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, it's a bunch of key blanks. I don't know how much more I can show of this. I really have to sift through here and see what I got. Oh, I see one old key right here. So I'll have to sift through here and really see what I have. But man, that was fun. It was a pretty crazy day. I haven't been to the flea market in a long time, so it was really nice. It was muddy out there. It just rained here for a couple of days, and then the sun was out, but it was muddy. And anyway, it was a great day. I'm super happy. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.